Hey, what's going on? Frank here, Allied Dent from localhailrepair.com and pdrsecret.com. So one of the things that we have noticed over the 16 years of fixing hail damaged cars is really there's about three things that a lot of customers have questions about and common things that we find before, during, and after the repair. So one of the big questions we get is they want to know how much hail damage they have. Now, the reason being, a lot of times we find out that they want to know how much is because a lot of customers want to find out, do I have enough hail that it's worth turning in? Because I have a $250, $500, $1,000 deductible. If I have $750 worth of hail damage, there's no use in turning that claim in because you'll have to pay $1,000 to begin with. So that's the value of a free estimate when you come in and schedule. You can schedule it right here on the Facebook page under the Book Now button. There's a way to book a free estimation, and that's simply, hey, have you already gotten an insurance estimate from your insurance company? Because the majority of insurance companies write their own estimate. They will not directly take our estimate or anybody's estimate unless that shop has an agreement with them. And so if you have your insurance estimate, bring that estimate into us, or come in for a free inspection, free estimate. And the reason being is I'm going to show you the vehicle that we're working on right now. And I want to share with you our experience just today. Okay, so this truck came in here today. And the insurance company had written an estimate for the hail damage on here. And now here's the problem. Here's the problem with most of these estimates, is that the insurance adjuster, which works for the insurance company, not for you and not for me, works for the insurance company, they inspect these cars outside. They don't have a nice controlled environment, nice controlled conditions, and a lot more damage shows up inside where we have the proper lighting and the proper facility to inspect the car. So this car in particular, it was $1,500 short, $1,500 low. Okay, that is one of the things we do. So when that car comes in and we look at it and say, hey, wait a minute, this insurance company wrote you a check for $1,500. After we have inspected this vehicle and wrote what we call a supplemental estimate, we actually found there was over $3,000 damage. Now, would you rather pay that, or would you rather us go back to the insurance company and say, hey, you know what? You missed a few things on this. You can either send somebody down and we will go over this and inspect it together, or you can just take our estimate and our pictures and we'll get the car repaired. Because we use systems, we use processes that will speak the language of the insurance company so they can understand why we are asking for the money we ask for. And they can justify that to their peanut counters, the bosses and so on up down the food chain. And so that's where the value of coming in and getting a free estimate, a free inspection, and just letting us go to battle for you to the insurance company saying, hey man, look, you may have missed a few things. I understand you look at these outside, conditions may not be quite perfect for the inspection. We found some more damage, some more money needs to be paid. Can we make an agreement, or do we need to process this another way? Because bottom line, the damage is the damage. It needs to be paid for. You pay good money for your insurance. You pay a lot of money for your car. And we want to get that car repaired back to its factory value. So that was your auto hail repair, paintless dent repair, PDR Minute with Frank today. So thank you. Thanks for watching this. Man, share this out. I appreciate that. See you later.